I think one of the first use cases that comes to mind for me is a customer that we worked with recently. They were very, very bought into ABM. They were digging in, they were launching lots of campaigns, but not necessarily with that full sales and marketing alignment that they needed. And because they were moving so quickly, they weren't really taking the time to stop and evaluate what was working, what wasn't, where they needed to make changes. So we did an on-site workshop with them. It was an Engage workshop specifically. And what we essentially did was we took their existing campaigns, reviewed them, found places for improvement within them, and then we actually went through a full content inventorying exercise and mapped that to their existing segments and identified ways that they could get more and more granular and specific in their messaging to drive more meaningful engagement. So I think that was really a great use case in terms of they already had content, they already had campaigns, they were running things already, but by getting sales and marketing in the room together, we were able to identify where maybe some gaps in communication were keeping them from growing in a scalable way.